What's up, everybody? This is your boy Kato, and welcome back to another episode of Kato's Corner, where winners are made. Today, I'm going to talk about my top 3 AI cryptos that I think can have some major price movement in the next bull run. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss this one.
Running, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off.
So before we kick this thing off, I just wanted everybody to know that I am not a financial advisor, and everything I say and do is not considered to be financial advice. This is just what I am doing, and hopefully this can help you along in your financial journey. I'm also part of the 3T Warrior Academy. My affiliate link is in the description below. If you're trying to join a community that is full of like-minded individuals and is also there to help you build your generational wealth, I strongly urge you to please check out this link below. It is so much value. You get so much bang for your buck. It is worth it in the long run. And if you're into investing in yourself, this is the place for you, the 3T Warrior Academy. Please check that out. All right, so let's kick this thing off. So the first AI crypto that I think is going to be a major player in the next bull run and will still be here making huge moves is called Numerai. Ticker on that is NMR. All right, we're going to look into this a little bit. All right, so if we go over here to the Numerai website, it's numerai.ai, and then you go over here to docs, and it's going to come up with this video. You can watch it on YouTube, and it's going to explain exactly what they're about. Pretty interesting. I just watched it. From what I gather is that they're creating a Numerai tournament where you build a machine learning models on abstract financial data to predict the stock market. Your models can be staked with NMR cryptocurrency to earn rewards based on performance. The staked models of Numerai are combined from the meta model, which controls the capital of the Numerai hedge fund across the global stock market. So I urge you guys to go check this out. You're going to learn a lot of information about this. I think AI is the future, and I think that this right here is pretty crazy. It's the first AI hedge fund within the cryptocurrency realm. So I think that it could be something that could be huge. So now we're going to go over here to coin market cap. And this right here, this is the thing. Look at max supply, 11 million. That's lower than Quant, the video I did a couple of days ago. If you guys have not seen that video, I strongly suggest you go check that video out. But anyway, so the max right now, there's about half of that in circulation. 5,888,504 are in circulation. 54% of it is in circulation. The max supply is 11 million. Right now, the price is at $15.88. I still believe that we're in a crucial level, which I'm going to show you here in a moment. So I'm not saying buy this right this second. However, I'm saying put this on your radar. And as the price goes down, it might be a time to start dollar cost averaging into this, because I think when the bull market does come, this price could rocket, especially with the max supply only being 11 million. That is such a low supply. So it doesn't need that many people in it, and it doesn't need to have that large of a market cap for it to be able to generate a big price. So we're going to go over here to the chart on this on TradingView. And as you can see, it's riding this trend line right here. And we're at a crucial level right now of this thing. You can kind of see it. And if it breaks this level, then it's going to start heading here to other support levels, which I have one here at 1157 and then another one here at 778. So I would watch for these levels, and maybe if it starts approaching this right here, this support level right here would be a good time to start DCAing in. And as it goes down, you maybe can get some more. As you can see, the recent high of this back in February was 27.28. So it's cooling off right now. It's having a consolidation. And I think we need to see where the bottom is going to start setting in at before we start trying to add this to our portfolio. And if you've already are invested into this and you invested here at a higher area, then obviously this would start being some good times to keep DCAing in to get your average cost down. So the second AI crypto that I think could do some big things in the next bull run is called Fetch AI, ticker symbol FET. All right, so let's get into this one. So we're going to start off with a short little video explaining what Fetch AI actually is and what it does. You can find this video on YouTube. Check this out.
It all starts with a single piece of information floating in the ocean of data, unused, unknown, and unimagined. But someone, somewhere, could harness this, and suddenly it becomes much more. Whilst legacy technology keeps data locked up in centralized silos, we believe in a decentralized future, combining the power of AI, machine learning, and blockchains. Introducing Fetch AI's digital twins, able to interact and trade in the digital space on your or anyone's behalf. Powered by the Fetch token, digital twins can exchange with any other twin using a peer-to-peer network, providing greater speed, flexibility, and security than existing solutions. Fetch AI technology, built with the Cosmos SDK for scalability and interoperability, allows anyone to build and deploy decentralized applications on the Fetch AI network. BotSwap, Fetch AI's DeFi liquidity management tool, can react quickly to market conditions, saving you from rug pulls or impermanent loss, operating on your predefined preferences. The decentralized delivery network revolutionizes the gig economy, greatly reducing fees and returning control of your private data to you. Collective learning trains algorithms more efficiently, allowing multiple parties to benefit from much larger data sets without compromising privacy. Supply chain digital twins track and trace shipments, providing greater transparency using AI and blockchain. These tools are the building blocks that will enable a dynamic shift in the way we interact and do business. By bringing powerful AI automation to blockchains, users and businesses gain greater control over existing structures and their connection in the metaverse. Fetch AI, artificial intelligence, everyone.
Pretty cool, right? A lot of information right there. I think that video explains it very, very well. And the technology that this has is pretty unmatched, and it's pretty crazy, to be honest with you. So we're going to go over here to the website. It's Fetch AI, fetch.ai is the website here. And if you look over here, you can just go to the ecosystem of this and look at, I mean, they have a lot of companies that have kind of linked in with them as we're going through these right here, which is pretty cool. All right, so we're also going to go over here to the coin market cap. Now, the max supply of this is a lot more than the previous one that I was talking about. So the total supply of this one is 1,152,997,575 is the total supply. Right now we have a little over half of that is in circulation. The total market cap right now is sitting at 269,047,207. The current price is at 32.85. So obviously this is not that low of supply, but it's also not that high of a supply either. There's a lot of other cryptocurrencies that have far more than this, and so this price definitely can go a lot higher than it is right now. We're going to go over here to trading view and check out the chart a little bit here. It did break this trend line right here that I have drawn in yellow. It broke below this. Right now we are approaching a support level here, and if it breaks below this, then obviously we're going to start seeing newer lows. However, this thing has pumped significantly in the last month and a half or so. It was sitting around over here back in January right here. It was sitting, and it literally went up 570%, which is pretty crazy, right? And now we're having a retracement. We're having a cool off period and we're consolidating down. So I'm not saying, again, I'm not suggesting that you buy in right now. I might wait and see what happens here if this breaks this support level and if it keeps going down. And then I would start my DCAing into this because obviously, as we know, it does have potential to make a significant run. It going up 570% is pretty crazy that we went up that high in a bear market. However, this is AI, and that is the new thing right now. Just like last bull run, if you remember, what was the big things? You had Meta, anything that was related to Meta was going parabolic. Same thing with a lot of meme coins and stuff like that. Those were going parabolic as well. So I think that in this next bull run, that AI could be one of the main players as far as seeing the biggest pumps for this next bull run. Okay, so the last AI cryptocurrency that I think could do big things in the next bull run is called Singularity Net. Okay. The ticker on that is AGIX. This one's a little tougher to buy than the other two that I had previously mentioned. You have to do this through either Pancake Swap or Uniswap right now, which does kind of make it a pain in the butt. And then you also have to pay a lot in gas fees as compared to the other two projects that I had mentioned. So let's get into this one. Okay, so we're over here on the Singularity Net website. The website is called singularitynet.io. If you come over here, it says, here's the technology behind it and what kind of they're about. It says Singularity Net platform is an open and decentralized network of AI services made accessible through the blockchain. Developers publish their services to the Singularity Net network, where they can be used by anyone with an internet connection. Developers are able to change for the use of their services using the native AGIX token. Services can provide interference or model training across myriad domains such as image, video, speech, text, time series, bio, AI, and network analysis. These services can be as simple as wrapping a well-known algorithm, a complete end-to-end solution for an industry problem, or standalone AI application. Developers can also deploy anonymous AI agents that interoperate with other services on the network. If you look over here at their ecosystem, you see them here in the center, and these are all the companies that are somehow, some way connected to Singularity Net. Now, if we go over here to the coin market cap, right now, the max supply is 2 billion coins. In circulation, you have a little over half of those in 1,205,321,857. The total market cap right now is 389,551,897. Now, this thing already went on a parabolic run. As we'll go over here to the trading view, it was trading for a very long while here in the 4-cent range. And then in January is when it started picking up some momentum. And then a lot of the AI started picking up momentum in January. If you look at every single one of these projects that I've brought up today, in January is when they started all having runs. So this one actually went up very significantly. Since January, and it went up, and the high was February 23rd, and it went up 2,238%, up to 66 cents, a little over 66 cents. And then since then, it's been kind of having a pullback. As you can see here, it kind of broke trend line here, and now it's following a different trend line going downwards. We're approaching this right here, which is a 27 cents ish is the next support level. We'll see if it can hold that or if it's going to start breaking below these levels and start testing different support levels. So once again, this is on consolidation period right now, and we need to try to wait to see where the local bottom is going to start. And then once we get confirmation that it's going back up, then we'll kind of know, what to do from there. I would personally wait to start doing DCA in if you want to add this to your portfolio. That is what I am personally doing, is waiting, and I will start DCAing in as it approaches these lower support levels here. So those are my top 3 AI cryptocurrency projects that I think could have some major gains in the next bull run. Please hit that like button and please comment below to tell me if you agree with my assessment. Now, next week, I will be on vacation, so I will not be posting a video. However, the following week, I will be posting again. Please hit that subscribe button if you have not already, so that way you're notified every single time a new video comes out. I really, really appreciate you guys tuning in to another episode of KDOE'S Korner, where winners are made, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Take care.
I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me, might smoke bed in heaven, got a whole agenda.